How to save a project on CapCut. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can save projects on your CapCut PC. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is import materials to create a project. So I'm just going to tap on next again, and now what you're going to do is drag this material, and then you are going to just click on it and drag it down to your video. So there are a few effects that you can add on your videos. And now finally, to save your project, you can just click on export. So go ahead and click on here and choose the file location where you want to export the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it, select a different folder. So I'm just going to go to my D drive. And from here, I'm just going to click on Program Files and CapCut, and then click on CapCut Videos, and I'm going to select this folder right here. Now you can just tap on Export like this after the video is done, and then you can simply save it to your project. So once you click on Export, it will automatically be saved to your project. And even if you cancel this and tap on OK, cancel this like this, what you can do is just close this down and it will automatically be saved to your project like this. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.